Hey guys, this is the Jumper EZBook S7-Hi 15.6-inch laptop, budget-friendly and made for everyday use. It runs on Intel 5205U processor and comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. If you need more space, you can expand it with an SSD up to 1 terabyte. That means plenty of room for your files, photos, and school or work projects. Some people have mentioned that this laptop is a bit slow, but I know the setup took me about an hour for everything to update and load. After that, it works very nice. The laptop has an HD display that works well for browsing, streaming, and basic tasks. Also has USB-C, HDMI, and micro SD card slots, so you can easily connect your devices. It comes with Windows 11 pre-installed and includes a 1-year Office 365 subscription that gives you access to Word, Excel, and other apps right out of the box. For my things that I do, this is great. This is good enough for me. But if you want to up your speed for heavy multitasking, gaming, and programming and stuff like that, this model is available with higher speeds and more space.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and have yourself a great day.